Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Modern dining room design ideas focus on creating a stylish and functional space that reflects current trends in home decor. One key aspect is the use of clean lines and minimalist furniture, which helps to create an uncultured and spacious feel. Incorporating a statement dining table, whether it's a sleek glass space or rustic wooden design, serves as a focal point of the room, lighting to play a crucial role. Pendant lights or modern chandeliers can add a drama and elegance while providing adequate illumination. Additionally, mixing materials such as phasing metal chairs with a modern table adds visual interest and texture for color schemes. Neutral tones with pops of vibrant colors or deep hues are trending, offering warmth and sophistication. Accent walls featuring bold color or artwork can enhance the overall aesthetic. Finally, adding greenery through indoor plants or floral arrangements breathes life into the space, making it inviting and fresh. These elements combine to create a modern dining room that is both stylish and comfortable, perfect for entertaining or family gatherings. Thanks for watching. Also watch, subscribe and like Interior Design channel.